Dearest heart, just do your best to keep yourself in balance. One of the first things that causes energy misalignment is asking or demanding too much of yourself in terms of time and effort. In other words, you just cannot burn the candle at both ends, so that you are physically tired and then expect yourself to have a cheerful attitude. If you are working on changing bad habits, unhealthy thought patterns, negative emotions, or toxic behaviors, know that you are healing a small part of the world by healing yourself. Everyone around you will benefit and they will be served by your wholeness. It's hard sometimes, and I know you want to quit, but this is the work that ultimately changes the world. So, when you practice moment after moment satisfaction, then it feels to you like the universe is becoming more productive on your behalf. It is not you are just letting in the productivity that's already been lined up for you. Type Amen.